Hi, and welcome to Window Cleaning Dude. In today's episode, we're going to talk about... So, I'm sure many of you are wondering, if you're just starting out in window cleaning, what is the secret formula? What is the soap that I need to use? What's the magic recipe that I need to put together to do window cleaning that I can, be highly successful? I'm going to show you my secret formula right now. The soap that I use, that I've used from the beginning, I've used over the last 10 years and has worked terrific for me, and I don't ever plan on changing from. And that's right here. It's called Dawn dish soap. Now, I know some other window cleaners, professional window cleaners, might perhaps look down upon that. They might be like, hey, you really need to use the professional window cleaning soap put out by Ettore or whoever else, putting out their different soaps, and I'm not going to knock those soaps. I'm sure they work just as good. I've just never tried them. I don't feel like I really need to. I've been using Dawn from the very beginning. That's what was taught to me by my mentor, and so that's what I'm going to teach you. It works very successful. Dawn was created specifically for glass, for cleaning dishes, and since you're cleaning glass windows, it works just the same as if you were washing some dishes. So, highly recommend this soap, and one reason why, actually a few reasons why. Let me tell you why I also recommend this soap. Not only because it was designed for glass, but also because this soap is non-toxic. There are no chemicals, harsh chemicals in this soap. It's not going to mess up your customer's property if it does get on the rug or any of their personal items, bedspreads, and so forth. Heaven forbid that happen, but if your window washing solution, the water and the soap ever gets on these things, it's not going to do anything to it. It's not going to harm it. It's not going to stain it. It's not going to bleach it. It's not going to do anything bad for that. It's also not going to kill the plants outside. It's not going to harm any pets. So that's why I love the Dawn dish soap. There's no liabilities with this soap. Also, it's very inexpensive. If you have a Costco membership, which is where I get this at, I get this at Costco, you can get a lot of it for cheap. So the other thing I want to talk about for the window cleaning solution is that I just mix soap and water. I do not add ammonia. I know some people like to do that. People like to add a few different things depending on where you're at and what you're doing. I know the guy who taught me, my mentor, would actually sometimes clean with antifreeze in the winter so that the water wouldn't freeze. I've never done that. I don't ever plan to. That just sounds chancy to me. I don't know. I just don't feel comfortable with the idea of cleaning with antifreeze. But he did, so you might think about that if you're in some very harsh winter conditions. If you are going to clean with antifreeze in your water, or if you're just going to clean with straight up antifreeze, be sure to wear some appropriate gloves to protect yourself. I'm sure antifreeze isn't good for you to be getting on your skin. And then of course you're going to have to be extremely careful that it's not getting on your customer's stuff. That would probably typically only be on the outside, not the inside, but I don't want to get much more into antifreeze, so I'm going to go ahead and move on from that. As far as other items like squeegee off or whatever else, glass gleam, there's lots of other products out there that you can use for your window cleaning solution to help your squeegee glide easier and faster. I have never found a need for those products. I've always just been really happy with the Dawn dish soap. It's always got the job done for me. So that's all I use. It's up to you what you want to do in your business. But if you want to follow my pattern and my success, everything that I teach on my website, on windowcleandude.com, then I would just recommend just the Dawn dish soap, and it's going to be fine. Now, I do use the Dawn Ultra. Dawn Ultra stands for ultra concentrated, so that's why I use the Dawn Ultra. It's this blue kind here, so pretty much just look for the blue kind. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description where you can find this soap online. Also, it'll be on my website. You can find more information about it there. There'll be a link to this soap on my website as well as to where you can purchase it online if you want to purchase it online. If you like this video, please give me the thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and be a part of my window cleaning community here on YouTube, and show YouTube that you do appreciate this content. Ring the notification bell for upcoming videos, and don't forget to comment down below. I'm sure I'm going to get some comments on why this is a great idea, or for those of you who are watching this video who think that maybe Dawn isn't the best. Either way, it doesn't really matter. Use what's going to be best for you, and I will see you in the next episode.